I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you.
No problem, Stevie.
But I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time.
Hey squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chandelier. I'm the host and creator, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Aaliyah wig from Outre. It is the Melted Hairline collection. I have done a review on this wig, and I don't know, I just keep coming back to this wig, even though I know that the flyaways are a serious thing. And yeah, anyways, this is going to be nice, relaxing, and really more of a realistic video. Sometimes the install just doesn't go how you expect. So I still feel like I should show this because this is real life. And sometimes I feel like we're trying to live up to these unrealistic standards. Like our install is going to be perfect every time. Sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. I think I did alright, but I want you guys to watch the reveal. And make sure you give a thumbs up if you can relate to the struggle of the install hit or miss dilemma. Anyways, here's the construction of the wig cap. I'm gonna go off and let you guys just vibe, and I'll be back to check in.
If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. But you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play. And now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. And you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
You're seriously, you're fine. Like, please go sit down.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread.
Hey guys, just checking in, just kind of showing you how I'm gonna pluck some of the hairs that was giving me like mad rounded cap. So as you can see, there's just a little difference. There is a such thing as plucking too much, but I could have plucked more, but you never know. And plus, I plan on wearing this wig multiple times, so I'm kind of taking it easy the first go. Anyways, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my tribe for more relaxing videos like this. I also share motivational, uplifting content if you're a creator and you like that sort of thing. Multifaceted queens out here doing the damn thing. Make sure you subscribe. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys continue to vibe.
I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above.
couple O's just to kill my lows. I've been dipping, I've been sliding, I've been cutting.
Hey guys, back again. Let me show you some things. So this hair is thin. Like if you like thicker wigs, girl, don't get it. I feel like I'm one brisk wind gust away from everybody seeing my tracks, bitch. Anyways, the blonde's cute. I just wanted to give you guys that little update. Now I'm gonna cut the lace with my razor.
I guess I can be the bad guy, cause they eating top ramen and not pad thai. I gives no I need my bucks, I thought I told them that. They ain't helping, but they acting like I owe them that. Twisting top up at the pop-up, tear the block up with my single. Yeah, yo chick, she wanna dip, she see the drip, she wanna mingle. Take them trips and make them flips, I stack my chips up like a Pringle. I be preaching all my ism, but it jam just like a jingle. Start choosing, 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 start choosing. Blowing purple packets in my blue suede loafers, turn both phones off when yo came over. I'm American, ain't embarrassing, I got no shame. Lost my Carrigan, I slide down Harrison, they know my name. Tell a local, be vocal, tell me how are we the same. Tell your boyfriend not to try it, I been working on my aim. All these rappers in my diet, I ain't worried about no lame. How you checking for my stats and don't know how to play the game? I can't even keep the trophies cause I gotta find a place. I walk in, they feel the energy, I occupy the space. Stuffing Benjis in my pocket, stuffing lobster in my face. Got them trying to follow moves, I'm about to send them on the chase. Twisting top up at the pop-up, tear the block up with my single. Yeah, yo chick, she wanna dip, she see the drip, she wanna mingle. Take them trips and make them flips, I stack my chips up like a Pringle. I be preaching all my ism, but it jam just like a jingle. Start choosing, 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 start choosing.
Alright guys, this is the final look. Tell me what you think of this wig in the comments down below. Is it a yay or nay? I need to know in the comments down below. Also, head over to my podcast, The Virtual Best Friend, Shan Show. I talk about my coming out experience, and also subscribe. I post new videos every week. Check out the next video right now. Thanks.